Welcome at Mélia. We will demonstrate how to install the Mélia baby shell or toddler seat into your cargo bike so you can start cycling immediately after receiving your Mélia seat. This installation kit is for all Mélia seats, provided with a 3-point belt to secure your child. This installation kit is suitable for all cargo bikes, with a hole at the back and a hole in the bench. The little 6mm hole will appear after removing the original belts of your cargo bike. If not, you will have to drill a little 6mm hole in the wood. If you are in possession of a cargo bike with a cabinet under the bench, or do you have a Mélia seat with a carry strap, then it is better to use one of our quick release installation sets. Visit our install page for more info and follow the quick release insert video. Now we will start with the instruction video showing you how to assemble the belts securing your child in the Mélia seat. Pull the strap through both metal plates supplied with your installation set. At the top metal plate, push the screw through the hole from the inside out. Then push the end of the Velcro through the rear holes of the chair. Fasten the Velcro on the inside. The function of the Velcro strap is to ensure that the chair does not come forward when you take your child out of the chair. At the bottom metal plate, push the screw through the hole from the inside out. Then push it through the hole in the bench and use the knob to tighten it, just a little. Later on, you will fix it completely. Do the same with the top metal plate. If you want the chair in a more lying position, make the Velcro slightly looser on the inside. Adjust the strap by using the buckles. Then completely fix the strap by using the knobs. Your child will only be secured once the seat belt has been fastened by using the easy lock. The belts and the seat are now a part of your wooden box, and that guarantees your child's safety. Mélia has a range of portable mounting sets for all brand cargo bike to make sure that you can use your seat from the moment it arrives at your door. You will find all other installation kits for cargo bikes on our install page on our website.